This is the Zen swing. It obliterates neck pain and back pain. It gets you moving. It gets the qi, the lymph, and the circulation all going at once. So close your eyes on the horizon so the twist goes into the cervical units. 75% of your weight goes up on one side, and then you swing to the other side. This moves every joint in the human body, the cerebral spinal fluid, the synovial fluid, your fascia, your tendons, and your ligaments. The slower you move, the faster qi moves. The movement goes into your shoulder girdles, into your hips, groin, so it moves and lubricates everything inside the human body. Do this 5 to 10 minutes a day and watch your neck pain and back pain go away. Do it for 20 minutes a day, and it's known as medical Qigong. It will heal the body from almost any ailment out there at all. And have a great day. Drop a comment in the box and let me know if the Zen swing has changed your life.
I'm obsessed with the 7-minute cardio routine. I've been doing it for a month every day. So you do bunny hops for 1 minute. You do a full body wave for 1 minute. Go onto your toes and throw down. Then you're going to do an arm swing. And you're just basically seeing how far back your arms can go. Trunk twist feels great on your back. Just make sure to look down so you don't get dizzy. Dead arm looks crazy, but you're using momentum, so it feels kind of fun. Golf twist fixes my low back. And then I just do a march and a high five. So I will give credit to Mike R. Holland, and it's just such a good routine.
Every morning when you get up, say over and over to yourself, do it now, do it now, do it now, I do it now, do it now. Whenever you have this tendency to procrastinate, program your subconscious mind with this automatic conditioned command, do it now, do it now, do it now. The key to overcoming procrastination is to develop a sense of urgency. Be the kind of person who gets things done quickly. Be the kind of person who launches fast on a task. One of the ways to launch fast on a task is to take the task and break it up, what is called salami slicing it. Slice a piece of salami. Don't try to eat a whole loaf of salami, just eat it one slice at a time. Take your task and break it up into small pieces and do one piece at a time. Say over and over to yourself, do it now, do it now, do it now.
The secret to weight loss without dieting was discovered in ancient China. This technique can help you slim down in just 1 week. Forget strict diets and exhausting workouts. All you need is a simple method that taps into the power of your lymphatic system. In just a few days, it activates a powerful metabolic process that burns fat and flushes toxins from the body. These easy movements not only speed up detox and eliminate excess fluid, but also visibly reduce body size. After just 1 week, you'll notice the swelling.
Traditional Chinese fitness is truly powerful. In just 25 days, you can transform from this to that. Join the journey and keep up with the training. After each session, your energy will skyrocket. 1 horse stance, 100 reps daily, your arms will get slimmer. 2 up and down movement, 100 reps daily, your back will become taller and stronger. 3 shoulder opening move, character San Aaron, 50 reps daily, your shoulders and back will feel more relaxed. 4 full body slimming move, 100 reps, belly fat will disappear. 5 full body slimming move, 100 reps daily, you'll feel much more confident.
Stand on tiptoes against a wall daily, arms up, for 2 minutes. It boosts circulation and makes your face look younger. Hug your knees while standing against a wall for 3 minutes daily. It helps correct pelvic tilt and reduces belly protrusion. Rest your head on the wall for 2 minutes each day. It prevents forward head tilt and turtleneck posture. Push off the wall and lean down daily. This exercise helps prevent slouching, droopy shoulders, and hunching. Save and share with friends.